There's nothing like spending the day at Exhibition Park, one of Guelph's most prized possessions. Built in 1871, a time in history characterized by expansion, confederation, and growth. Adding the grandstands and ball diamonds in 1925, the arena in 1965, it's a place where you can truly feel the history. And it's kept alive, surrounded by beautiful Victorian-era homes, old-growth maples, trails, open spaces, and playgrounds. It's a park where you can find a quiet place to call your own, or have the whole family enjoy for the afternoon. It's a place where...
Excuse me, sir. How many times do I have to tell you? Yes, this is the Exhibition Park neighborhood, but this is my property, my garden. The actual park is a block down that way. It's a 2-minute walk.
My apologies.
Wait. I am selling my house though, so if you wanted to take a look inside, now's the time.
Why not? .38 Kirkland Street is probably one of the best locations in the Exhibition Park neighborhood. One of the most desirable neighborhoods in the whole city of Guelph.
As time goes by, I'm a raindrop on a blue coat.
At 38 Kirkland Street, we're only 150 meters away from the park. We're close enough to the park, 2-minute walk, but we're not right across from the park, so we don't have to deal with all that parking, traffic, and all the people walking right by your house.
And watch you smile. Empires rose and fell. Watch you smile. Mountains melted into sand. And watch you smile.
Plus, you're only a 20-minute walk downtown, so you can enjoy shopping, restaurants, pubs, and everything that this historic city has to offer. One characteristic that always comes up in the Exhibition neighborhood is community. You have a real sense of community here where everyone supports local. One of my favorites, just a 5-minute walk away with the Grain Bakery. Enjoy fresh bread, treats, and lunch. And even with all that, one of my favorite parts is you get your own little piece of Exhibition Park right here in your own yard.
I'm a stranger caught in a snapshot frame. And watch you smile. Empires rose and fell. Watch you smile.
And boom, we're inside. All the noise from outside just fades away. You're greeted with this beautiful stained glass 10-foot doorway letting in tons of natural light. And you're greeted with historic charm, sharp contrast between dark and light colors, big and bright principal rooms with crown molding, 12-inch baseboards, original mantle with gas fireplace. A cozy, sleek feel is how I would describe this room. And then you've got the main floor master. Head through these original double doors and it opens right up into this fantastic space. We have windows on both sides letting in tons of natural light. We have these California shutters where you can block off the privacy and still have that light coming in. I love that touch. But once again, the ceilings, the baseboards, the best part is access to the washroom. And that washroom is something that you're not going to want to miss. This bathroom makes me even feel small. It's got a spa, luxurious feel that you're going to absolutely love. For starters, we've got these massive 2x4 staggered tiles and this beautiful black border surrounding your clawfoot tub with the lantern patterned tiles. And directly across is this massive shower with these beautiful hex tile base, no threshold, and a rain shower head. Plus remote blinds for privacy, heated towel rack, heated floors. It's going to be hard for you not to like this one. To the back of the house is where all your culinary dreams come true. We have an open, bright dining room connected right to this freshly renovated chef's kitchen. It's fantastic. I love how these rooms go from light to dark, the contrast. There's so much to see, so much feeling involved with these colors. When you see this kitchen, you'll notice granite countertops right away. This beautiful sage cabinetry with tons of storage and built-in laundry right to the back of the kitchen. But on top of that, we have high-end Fisher-Paykel appliances, fridge, stove, dishwasher, and we complement that and bring in some warmth with this beautiful live edge island and these free floating live edge shelves. And a fantastic bonus to finish off this kitchen is this beautiful sunroom. You step out here with built-in cabinets, hardwood floors, those same dark and light tones are on the brick wall, the beams on the ceiling, and this is really a great space to enjoy your morning coffee. It's sun-filled and offers great access to that phenomenal yard. And we complete the main floor with the back bedroom. It's oversized, again, these beautiful double doors heading in, an oversized closet with these barn door sliders, but the windows, beautiful hex window up here, double windows here, vertical on the side, letting in tons of natural light. And you'll be shocked, we've got a 140-year-old house with a finished basement. This is a great space, gas fireplace, window. To me, I love the idea of having a den, secondary living room, or even a gym down here. Well, there you have it, 38 Kirkland Street. I'm done talking, I've said everything I can, and I'm exhausted. And as good as I am with selling real estate, I gotta tell you, this house is gonna sell itself. If you have any questions, I want you to give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.